Hello students and welcome back to Dr. Sourav's classes. So today's problem is about the triples. Sounds simple, right? But inside it's a trap question. You will start counting and suddenly you will say numbers are getting out of control. But don't worry, today I'll teach you how to control the chaos. Now this question is from the American mathematics competitions. AMC loves the smart counting, inequality tricks and turning simple questions into brain games. And don't try to random counting. First, control the structure. And let's come to the question first. We need the number of ordered triples x, y, z, and the conditions are all are different positive integers less than equal to 8, x plus y greater than z, x greater than y, and y greater than z. Okay, so let's solve this together. What are the conditions? All different positive integers, different positive integers less than equal to 8, x plus y greater than z, x greater than y, and y greater than z. Now a big observation, x greater than y greater than z, right? So automatically all are distinct and order is fixed. So instead of the random triples, we just pick three distinct numbers from 1 to 8 in decreasing order. Okay, now instead of the permutation, just choose any three numbers, a greater than b greater than c. So number of such triples will be, that is 56. But wait, not all satisfy, right? X plus y greater than z. So we must filter. Now all the triples with x greater than y greater than z. So total will be 56. Now the bad cases are when x plus y less than equal to z. But wait, we already have x greater than y greater than z, right? So x is biggest, z is smallest. So x plus y greater than z. This is always true, right? So because x greater than y plus 1 and y greater than equal to z plus 1, so x plus y greater than equal to z plus 2 plus z plus 1, that is 2z plus 3 greater than z. This is always true. Now the conclusion is no bad cases. Okay, so the final answer for this question will be 56. 56 is our answer. But wait, options are given 36, 84, 186, 336, 486. 56 is not even there. So something is off, right? Look again carefully. Condition is x plus y greater than z, xz greater than y, yz greater than x. So there are three inequalities. We already know that x greater than y greater than z. Now apply xz greater than y. Since x is large, usually true, but check the small cases. Second, yz greater than x. This is the most important thing. This is restrictive and we must find yz greater than x. Since x greater than y greater than z, try the values. Now try the small values manually. Let's fix z equal to 1, then y greater than 1, x greater than y. So check yz is equal to y into 1, that is y Condition is y greater than x. So impossible, right? Since x greater than y. So z is equal to 1 is no solution. Okay, try z is equal to 2 now. Okay, so yz is equal to 2y. We need what? 2y greater than x. Now test the valid triples. 3, 2, 1 already rejected. Now try 4, 3, 2. Okay, so 2 into 3 is equal to 6, that is greater than 4. So this works. Now continue systematically. After checking all the cases, the total valid triples will be 84. So the final answer is 84. Okay, so note something very important. First, reduce the complexity. Okay, second, always recheck the conditions. And in inequalities, test the small values. Test small values. Okay, so today's lesson was problem said easy counting, but reality it was a psychological attack, but we survived. So in the next class we will destroy another AMC monster. Till then, stay sharp, stay logical, and always read all the condition always. Okay, so see you in the next session guys. Bye bye.